Guys, in this video, I'll show you the exact process that I actually follow in order to create my YouTube videos. So I'm not going to hold anything back here. I'm going to show you all the prompts that I use. I'm going to show you all the tools that I use. Everything, I'm not going to hold anything back here. So if this excites you, let's get started with the video. Before starting, I just want to make one more thing clear. This video is not something which you can consider as a thumbnail professional course or something like that. Then who is this video for? If you are someone who is creating content like a solo creator like me, or if you are someone who is building products like a solo builder, this video is going to help you to understand or help you to create YouTube thumbnails or designs for your the products that you are building. Also, to prove you that this is not something that I just made out for this video, so if you see my YouTube channel, almost all of the 95% of all these thumbnails are generated using AI. And to prove you, like if I just like you if you check with my latest thumbnail, so this is my latest thumbnail that I have generated. So as you can see, this is not something that I made out for this video. This is something that I really follow. So I felt that if I share this, even a person or a two could benefit from it, right? So just wanted to share this out. Now let's get started with the video. So like the tools that we'll be using, like the first tool that we'll be using is obviously the Nano Banana Pro. We now have Pro here. So before I used to use just the Nano Banana, and now we have Pro. So the other important thing that we need here is the prompt, right? So I'll just leave out a link in the description to this particular Medium article which I just published. So you'll have this particular prompt there. So you can just go ahead and copy out this prompt. So just try to come to the Gemini and just try to paste it over here. And now we have the latest Gemini 3, right? So just try to use the latest model, which is thinking. So just try to send out the prompt. Now this is going to ask you some basic details like what's the video that you're going to create about and who are the target audience and some basic questions. So you just have to fill out those basic questions, and then you'll have your thumbnail ready. So I'll just try to answer these basic questions. So I just put out these basic questions, like I mean the basic answers to the questions. I just gave out the topic of the video. I mean like the just I'll just write out the hook of the video. So I just put out that hook here, and I just added the target audience, the curiosity as a emotional trigger, and the tutorial it is about it's going to be about the anti-gravity AI IDE walkthrough, right? So this is something I just put out. Now, if I send this out previously, I mean, like without this particular thinking model, without the Gemini 3, like I used to use the combination of ChatGPT plus Gemini, but I'm now using completely Gemini in order to generate the ideas as well, because the Gemini 3, I really like the Gemini 3. So as you can see, it's now going to completely go ahead and uh, come out with the idea, or like directly go ahead and create the thumbnail for us. So now it's going to come up with the idea. So I'll just show you once we have some ideas here. Okay, now we have some really cool ideas. So we have around 7 ideas, and let's see what's the recommended one. So it is actually recommending us to go with the option one. So I'll just go with the option one here, and let's see how it's going to come out with the thumbnail. So what, like I'll just now tell you the process that I actually follow. As you can see, this is the thumbnail that I have actually generated with the Nano Banana, right? But if you see that the thumbnail is a bit different than the one that is over here. So what I do is I just go to Canva. So I just go to Canva, and some of the things I'll just try to like modify. So one thing is I just modified the, like if you see here, this is not the real anti-gravity icon or the logo. So I just try to update it that with this. And as you can see, also the t-shirt that I actually have here is not the real one that's there in the video. So I'll just try to show you something here. So this is the real footage that I actually took from my camera, and this is the one that I got it from Amazon. So I just asked it to add this t-shirt, and it came out with this, and I tried to crop it, and I just put that out here. And I just added this logo and this a small lighting effect or something like that. And this is the thumbnail that I got. And these are the, like the basic fixes or basic modifications that I do in Canva. Some of the times I just don't have to, like, I'll be directly giving out my image here itself in the Nano Banana, and I would be getting that. But some of the times I just want to make some basic changes, and then I like download that and I transfer that into Canva and I make these basic edits. So we now have the concept. So let's just ask it to go ahead and create the thumbnail. So I'll just select the Nano Banana here. So let's see. Now for sure we are gonna get the thumbnail. Let's wait and see what we're gonna get. Okay, now we have the thumbnail. I guess this is something like, I mean, I'm not sure about, like, I just don't want to comment on the thumbnail, but this is the one that we got. So, like, I mean, the secret sauce here is going to be, one thing is obviously going to be the prompt that we are using. And the second thing is like the way that we are generating ideas or iterating with the ideas. So I think these two are the secret sauce I feel in the entire generation. So this is the entire process that I actually follow in order to generate a YouTube thumbnail. If this helped you, just give it a like to the video. And yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you found this helpful. So I'll see you in the next one.